Hi student, that is 10th class topic mathematics. We are taken exercise 5.2. So proceed to exercise 5.2. We are taken some questions. So students, looking here, first we write down the formulas using the in 5.2 exercise. So we are taken a formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a and b the last term and a be the first term and n be the number of terms and d be the common difference. So students, we are taking question number first. A equal to 7, d equal to 3, n equal to 8. Find the an. So putting these values in formula, 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 3, that is 7 plus 7 into 3, 7 plus 21, we get an 28. We get an answers. We are taking question number 2. Thirteenth terms of an AP 10, 7, 4, or we write down 13th terms. So A becomes question number 2, first part. A equal to 10, D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 10 minus 3, and n equal to 30. So find out A30. Put the value of A, 10 plus में 30 minus 1 into D, that is minus 3. So 10 plus 29 into minus 3. So 10 minus 3 9 is 27, 2 carry 3 to the 8, 3 to the 6 plus 2 8, that is minus 77. We get an answers. We are taken question number 3rd. First part, first term, and fill up this, we get this third term. So A equal to 2, A2 be the find out, and A3 equal to 26. A3 means A plus 2D equal to 26. Put the value of A2 plus my 2D equal to 26, and 2D equal to 26 minus 2, 2D equal to 24, D equal to 12. So find out the A2. A2 means A plus D. So A becomes 2 and D equal to 12. We get an 14. We get an answers. Students, we are taken question number 4. Which terms 3, 8, 13, 18 and 78 with the last term? Find the which terms of 78. That is A equal to 3, D equal to A2 minus A1, 8 minus 3 equal to 5, and AN equal to 78. Find out n here. We write in the formula AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Put the value of AN, that is 78, A3 plus n find out, and D becomes 5. So 78 minus 3 equal to n minus 1 into 5, that is 75 equal to n minus 1. We divided by 5, we get, that is 15, 5 cancelled out. So n minus 1 equal to 15, n equal to 15 plus 1, n equal to 16. So student, we are trying to question number 5th. Question number 5th. Find the number of terms in which the AP, there is 7, 13, 19 and 205. So we are taken A equal to 7, and D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 13 minus 7, 6. AN equal to 205 and be the find out. So this question same as the question number 4. So student, try yourself. Try yourself. It is the same as question number 4. We are taken question number 6. Check minus 50 is the term of 11, 8, 5, 2. Check out 150 minus 150 is the term or not. Term or not. We are getting a natural numbers value of n, so it is the term, otherwise it is not. So A equal to 11, D equal to A2 minus A1, 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. And AN we are taken minus 150. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN becomes minus 150, A 11 plus N minus 1 and D are taken minus 3. So looking here, minus 150 minus 11 equal to N minus 1 minus 3. So minus 161 and this minus 3N plus 3. Minus 61 minus 3 equal to minus 3N. Minus 64 equal to minus 3N. N equal to minus 64 upon minus 3. So we are not n, belongs to natural number. So it is not a term of minus 150 is not a term of given AP. At last begins some homework. So student, try to question number first, remaining parts. Question number second, remaining parts. And question number third, remaining parts. Question number fourth, remaining parts. And also try to question number fifth and sixth. So this is the my today's topics. If any problem, you contact me. Thanks a lot.